everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amanda and my channel is all about DIYs, crafting, Dollar Tree stuff. And today I'm going to show you my thrift store haul. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up if you like this type of video so I can continue to do more like this. And let's just jump right in today because I have a lot of stuff. I spent about $50 at my local Goodwill, and I've got a bunch of random stuff, but I got a lot of wood stuff. I just feel like I had the jackpot today. So I just want to show you guys what I got. So to start off, for $5 or $4.99, I got this pretty big like flower. It's got like a fake flower thing in here, plant thing, which is kind of gross. But I just thought this would be really cool, either indoors or outdoors. I'm obviously gonna take this stuff out, but I just really liked, I'm gonna just kind of show you guys up close. Like the slat look on it, I don't know, kind of looked like a picket fencey, you know, so I got that, and I got to go outside, inside, whatever, these really nice metal tubs, and I got two of them. They had two of them in this kind of pretty orange, so I will probably end up using these for Halloween fall stuff, and then I will probably paint them and repurpose them for something else. The only thing it has, it's blank on one side and then it just has a little bit of writing there. I got these for $3 a piece, so $2.99 a piece. I still have to clean everything up, but I just love the size of this, much bigger than the Dollar Tree little metal flower ones that, that I've used a lot. So I got that, and then these were on like their sale thingy. So I got these for $1, and I got two of these, and you can see it's kind of got like a fall motif here, and this is just a charger plate, and I plan on repurposing and putting something here in the middle, but I was so excited to see those, so I got two of those. So you'll be seeing that in a future video. And then to actually, I say to repurpose. I'm repurposing every single thing. But I got this. It's a bundt pan. Okay, really simple, but it's old looking, and I kind of sort of like this ugly color on it, and that it was already a little bit distressed. Not sure if you guys are seeing that on camera here, but it's already got some distressed areas, and I got another one here, smaller, that is kind of already that orange, and then I just got a regular plain one. So my thought on these is to make them look like pumpkins maybe, so stay tuned for a upcycle video on that. And I got these wooden candle holders for about $3, and these were so pretty, and I just thought I could paint them and distress them. Really simple, but very cute. And I always like stuff when I can find it in a set. I don't know, just makes me feel better about buying it. Feel like I got a good deal. And then I got this metal, I'm really not sure what it is supposed to be. Let's see what the bottom, oh, it's from IKEA. So I'm not really sure what it's supposed to be, but I'm gonna bring you up close here and hopefully you guys can see this detail. I actually have an idea for this for around Mother's Day, so I'm gonna hold on to it, but for $3 I just couldn't pass that up. So just a really pretty, maybe it's supposed to hold flowers or, you know, like a floral arrangement, something like that. So to get into the wood stuff here, I was just really looking for stuff that I could repurpose. These will not be like Dollar Tree. You guys, I know I do a lot of Dollar Tree stuff. So these are really just gonna be repurposing using stuff from Home Depot and Lowe's, and you know, so it's not gonna be like super inexpensive, but I just thought these had good bones to them and just something I really could work with. So this one was $3.99. It was 40% off, or excuse me, $2.99 and 40% off with their little green tag sale today. So it's like a little shelf. You can see it's got some what is that, Noah's Ark or something? Yeah, it says the art collection. You can see it's got one peg and then it's missing the other two, but that's okay. And then just to kind of show you like the side view, and then the back is just plain. So I'm thinking about removing this Noah's Ark picture in here, and you know, taking that out. It's got like a piece of glass or something, and from the back I can tell I can remove all that, and then I'll just, you know, fix this up too and kind of replace that. But I might use this in my new in my new bathroom. I don't have a new bathroom. When I redo my hallway bathroom, I might use this because it's nice and small and it's not very wide, so it'd be good for that smaller bathroom. Okay, so continuing on with shelf-like stuff, and this one I'm gonna have to kind of hold up here, hopefully. Okay, good. You can see that really nice size. This is wood. It's got like the dowel here on the bottom. It does have these 3 little heart cutouts, but you know what? I'm okay with that. I'm gonna cover that up. You're not even gonna know those were there. But I just thought it was nice and sturdy. It felt good, and it's real wood, so I can work with this. So I will definitely be cleaning this up, and it actually already has spots on the back for me to hang it. So definitely something I can work with. Now, I also saw this one. Let's see. It's let's see. It is just about the same size, maybe a tad bit longer. And now they have already painted this one, so I'm gonna have to get all that off and, you know, redo this. But it's got this heart right here in the middle. But again, it was a nice sturdy shelf that was, I just thought, you know what, I can do something with that. You could even, you know, use it this way and put stuff, and then of course, you know, cover that, whatever. So that I have a lot of ideas for these two, so I'm excited about that. And then my clock here also has like a little shelf thing in the middle and a dowel at the bottom. Now it has a battery pack in here and everything. I have not, you know, changed out the batteries, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm not even sure I'm gonna keep this as a clock. I might just take that whole part out and cover that with something else. But again, nice and sturdy, put together very well. Here's the back side. You can see it's got the battery pack, and then it's got a hanger and everything. So again, something I might be able to use in my bathroom redecorating kind of project once we get to that. And then the last thing, I think this is the last thing I got. So I found this, like a magazine holder that you'd sit maybe by like your couch or your favorite chair or something, recliner. And it's actually in really good shape. I paid $5.99 for this, but I am definitely gonna redo it, and we're gonna distress it, and I'm gonna use this as my centerpiece this year for my fall table that I'm gonna do. So I am super excited about this. I cannot wait to fill this thing up after like just distressing the heck out of it. So I was so excited to see this. Now I will tell you, I found this one, I got excited, and I walked down the rest of the aisle. There was another one that was very old, and it was just not put together well. It was kind of falling apart already, and it just didn't have the good bones, as I like to say, to it like this one did. So even though the other one was already distressed and looked old, this one I can make it look like I want it to. So you know, a lot of times when I go to the thrift store, I see stuff and I just kind of sit there for a minute and think about it. What can I do with this, or how can I remake this? You know, is it worth it? You know, I mean, yes, I'm only spending a couple dollars for each one here, but still, is it worth it? Or can I, you know, get this somewhere else and it's already in better shape? Or, you know, so I try to look for stuff that is sturdy and stuff that's like I say, got good bones to it, got good structure, it's made well, and stuff that I can turn into something else. So sorry you guys, that was super fast. I think I talked really fast on this video, but there was just a lot of stuff and I didn't want to make this too long for you. So you guys make sure if you have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell next to it so you know when I upload the videos about what I did to remake this stuff, okay? So make sure to hit that. Give me a big thumbs up on this video if you like this type of thrift store haul. And as always, you guys, just have a great day and thank you so much for watching.